If colorful eyeshadow really overwhelms you because you don't know where to start, I'm gonna break down how to create this beautiful, vibrant eyeshadow look step by step so you can follow along and replicate this with ease. So grab your favorite eyeshadow palette and let's just get started. Okay, step one before you even put any eyeshadow on your eyes is to properly prep your lid. So I'm going in with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eyeshadow base. You can use your fingers, a tiny little beauty sponge, or a dense brush. So anywhere that you're gonna apply eyeshadow, you wanna apply this base. So for eyeshadow today, we're using the OG Blends palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Yes, Cody Jay still saves you 10%, thanks for asking.
Help me, I'm poor.
We're starting off by dipping into Submerged. So I'm using a rather small but dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna start on my outer corner and start stamping this product on. What we're doing is really placing the shadows and kind of structuring where we want this entire look to go. So stamping motions really allow you to build up the pigmentation much faster, and then once you have it where you want it, then you're gonna blend it out. So I'm just gonna take it around my eye like this, and take it up above my crease. We're coming back to this color, don't worry, but I'm actually gonna dip into another shade. We're gonna use Chase, which is this beautiful pink. So for this, I'm just gonna stamp it right over that blue, so we'll get that nice little beautiful purple gradient right there. Yeah, you see how it's working? And then take this pink down to our inner corner. Like I said, right now we really wanna use stamping motion so we can get this product on our lids and built up as fast as possible.
Then what? Then what?
So now I'm actually gonna dip into another shade. We're gonna use a purple. We're gonna use Signs right here. And I'm just gonna lightly feather this in between that pink and that blue just to emphasize that purple a little bit more. So I'm just gonna take a clean eyeshadow brush and just start buffing along the edges just to soften them up and blend everything together nicely. Okay, what do you think so far? I'm thinking pretty cute.
Yes! 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 Yes!
So now I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna dip into that same eyeshadow base that we started with to cut this crease. Just start stamping it on anywhere that you don't have the shadow. And then if you have hooded eyes, take it above your crease. If you don't, just take it to your crease. Don't worry about this part being perfect. It doesn't need to be.
Okay.
Okay, that looks pretty cute to me. I'm just gonna now set this with a white shadow just so that it sets it into place and it doesn't move around as much. So I'm taking the same colors that we started off with and I'm gonna blend this down onto my lid. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink. And then I'm really gonna stamp on a bright white at the beginning. That's so pretty and so vibrant.
I know!
For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take a small brush and just blend a little bit of that pink and purple underneath here. This is just gonna really bring everything together. I actually want a little bit of shimmer. So from the All Done Up palette, also from Blend Bunny, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of probably, let's go in with a little bit of Accentuate. Pop that right on the front. Okay, I just wanted to brighten it up even more and that definitely did just that. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna finish up the other eye, throw on some lashes, liner, and mascara, and I'll be right back to show you guys the final look.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back and here's the final look all complete. What do you guys think? Like I said, my goal today was to show you that you could do a really creative, really fun, and really colorful look with only a few different eyeshadows, and it actually is much easier than a lot of people might think it is. And of course, if these colors are not your vibe, that's totally fine. You can use whatever color combinations you want, but using the same techniques, you'll get the same result. If you guys have any recommendations as far as what you'd like to see from me in the future, please make sure you drop those ideas down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.